Thank God I've married the man.
Indeed.
Shall we? I like this song. Can I just do this one before we start?
Do you want to take that Georgie CD off for us, please, love?
No, it's Tim Powers.
I thought it was Georgie.
Give a little bit of heart and soul. Carol Decker. The best ginger ale shag in Shropshire.
Something you want to tell us about that?
The best ginger ale shag I ever had in Shropshire.
Alright.
I don't mind admitting it. Say a few words, and I'll try not to speak too long. Needs to be kind, and I'll try to explain. I'll probably get it all wrong. What does it mean when you promise someone, no matter how hard, whatever may come? It means that I won't give in. Won't give in, won't give in. 'Cause everyone I love is here. They wants to disappear. Once in a while I return to the fold. The people I call my own. Even in time, it's just a figure of life. We all have to die alone. What does it mean when you belong to someone? You call with a name, you carry it on. It means that I won't give in, won't give in. Won't give in. 'Cause everyone I love is here. All at once. To show you how to get here. Come on now. Come on now. Feel it. See it again. Come on now. Come on now. Feel it. Turn around, won't ya? The right time, the right place, right now. Turn around. A chance is made, a chance is lost. I'm giving myself to the edge of the earth. It means that I won't give in. Won't give in, won't give in. 'Cause everyone I love is here. Yeah, once still disappear. Frosty Tuesday night. Great to see so many famous people in here. Again. This is becoming like the speakeasy at Birkenhead.
I was just saying something.
Last week we had the Who's Who of Rocking. Now we've got the Who's Who of Rock.
Thesps.
Thesps?
Thesps. Rock.
Thesps.
I think it's great. Say a big hello to Active Drama. Hello, Active Drama. How are you doing? And it's, I believe it's Rachel's birthday, isn't it?
It is Rachel's
Rachel's birthday. Happy birthday, Rachel. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Who's the daddy? I said, who's the daddy, not who's their daddy?
She's the daddy. I'm her fucking husband.
You're the husband.
No, he is.
Who is? He is.
I'm him.
Alan.
So where do you come into the scheme of things here?
We're a threesome, dude.
Is that your husband?
Yes. And you want to see me sit?
Hello, Anne.
Yo.
Anyway, it's great to be back. After such a long week.
Got a feeling we might have a few guests today.
I reckon. Go shout, mate.
I shall. Okay. I do one for Ronnie, I think.
You're not going to try on it.
This one's especially for Ronnie. I haven't done this one for a while, so I'll soon become a part. That's why we haven't done it for a while. Just one thing. When the scream keeps on me around, I stand that ground and I won't back down. I won't back down, baby. Doing the easy way out. I won't back down. Stand that ground and I won't back down. Stand
back round. I won't back down. No, I won't back down.
A bit of Tom Petty for you!
Want a drink, Dad?
Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. That was.
Cash, what do you want?
Well, it was us doing Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers.
4X logo top.
Because we had a couple of Heartbreakers, me and Teddy.
Why not? We find the funny when he
And we
Musically.
furniture breakers and door smashers.
I was a fucking furniture breaker tonight. Not gonna go there.
What's the most rock and roll thing you've ever done, sir?
Me, shagged loads of birds and everything. 1984.
Did you ever trash anything?
I'm not prepared to say anything in front of you. The solicitor's not here. So.
I shit in the phone directory once.
That's rock and roll.
That is rock and roll, isn't it? In a phone directory with a book.
I phoned the operator up once and said, "Is that the operator on the line?" And she said, "Yeah." And I said, "Well, get off, there's a fucking train coming." Is that rock and roll?
That's rock and roll, yeah. I phoned the operator once and no direct inquiries it was. And she said, "Hello, Janice, what name?" I said, "Oh." And it went dead quiet and I just did it.
And it went.
Hey, hey, Paula, I wanna marry you. Right, my shout, innit?
George shouts out.
I quite fancy doing quite a few without the backers tonight.
Okay.
Without ketchup. Are you wearing clean backsies? Are you wearing clean backsies?
What do you reckon?
Drink, please.
Come on, get ass first, lad. I'm not being funny. £4.90 worth of it. I'm not being funny, lad.
This is just for Neil, because he's back with us now.
I'm not being funny.
Here's someone now who's got the muscle, his steady hand to move a mountain, expert in bed. Come now, the master's in the sand. Not gonna want, need to double life, you'll find out. Tell
Alright, Mark, there's a little bit for you. There's a D code in there for you. Hi, Steve.
Never mind.
Hi, Steve. Didn't see you coming.
Next week.
COVID. Abseil.
Our security is here. Social security. We're doing, lads. You alright?
The nephews.
The nephews and the providers of
Provided some
say no more.
It's we've got a bad air somewhere.
That's the one.
It's alright. Usually happens when I'm playing in the bath. You alright there with your ear stuck to that? Sure. What?
Yeah, we spent all this time trying to find us problems.
We haven't come out with any outrageous statements lately or comments.
I think after 2 years in here, Teddy, we have well and truly washed our dirty linen in the public.
You all missed it once week. 1 week that Alan was going on about his wank sock.
Oh no! He's proud of my wank sock.
And he had it for years and it ended up being like a baseball bat.
That happens, doesn't it? I'll have you know that I still got one.
Still a wank sock.
It's a football sock.
He's got it at the side of his bed just in case a bagel comes in the middle. That's
It's totally over your head, that one, isn't it? What's a wank sock, Mr. Kingman?
Bit of a hooter. There you go.
What's up, Phil?
Nice.
Sorry, mate, what?
Well done, thank you very much.
Stop.
Rocket science.
Oh, sorry, I didn't realise Callum was down.
Callum was down where?
Steady
on.
No,
she come up to me that. I thought you
So what I'd like to do...
and now it's
When they pass over doorways, people don't walk in and like in a coil.
This one's dedicated to Mark.
I don't know this one, by the way. And it'll be soon, it will become apparent that I don't know. But I didn't know anything on the cancer rider. Or cancer before, or the play. Just winged it, you know.
It's a bit country and western, this one. But it's dedicated to any of the lads who've ever been caught with the dicks in the hand when they shouldn't have. Speaking from experience, a song called Genitalia of a Fool.
You might want
Everybody's got a hobby. Everybody's got a stick. Please consider me eccentric. Don't think I'll be as sick. Didn't mean to spoil your heart. Didn't mean to be untrue. But I'm standing here holding the genitalia of a fool. Well, I thought that I exposed myself. standing here holding the genitalia of the fool. I guess the show is over, so I'll just go home. I'll pack my last possession. It's the nicest thing I own. And the means to scare the children. Make your grandma true. But I'm standing here holding the genitalia of the fool. Well, I pray that you forgive me. Try to understand, but I'm afraid you'll always be turning me with my whole world in my hand. When I go through life just knowing fate could be so cruel. Let me stand here holding the genitalia of the fool. Well, I wish that you were holding the genitalia of the fool.
A song about a very, very private moment that turned into a public moment. We've all been there.
Oh yeah.
Even Philly's been there. What, mate?
Don't you talk about a batty like that. That's Mars, man.
I think someone's about to get herself there.
All of those kids today.
Okay, we're gonna do one that we wrote together. Yeah, this one's gonna be on our new album. It's gonna be out in 5 years' time at least. And when Alan gets off Championship Manager and I get off the Liverpool official website.
Fucking Tiger Woods. Tell us
Don't
who
do Tiger Woods anymore? No?
Are you clean, are you?
I don't play Tiger Woods. Don't even play it.
Teddy spent a fortnight in the Priory clinic getting off Tiger Woods.
I was hooked on Tiger Woods. Oh, if you excuse the pun. Oh yeah.
I'm still struggling with Football Manager. I've got to have me fix every night.
So anyway, here's one of our own anyway.
Off the album Sex, Pies and Gaffer Tape.
So fast, one forever and it won't last. The end becomes a child, the child becomes a man. There's so much to this world, and I in my life, reflecting on times gone by. We're still together. Another prayer, another dream, another search for happy. Begin to turn towards the sky, and ask again the question why. The stream becomes a sea. Life is in our hands. There's so much to explore that I don't understand. Watching the days go by, so many changes in my life, reflecting on times go by. We're still together. All around me I see hopes and dreams. On the records that was once I hosted, but wherever they come to me,